This is how it looks to do the high jump, except it's my season opener. And today did not go as expected. Starting things off, I always like to measure my run up with my feet. It gives you a reliable measurement every time, except for today's competition. I always like to start off with a few pops in the air. I generally do about 2 or 3, but in today's case, I just did about 2. My body was feeling surprisingly good, so I was expecting to jump a very big height today. So in my warm-up, I decided to put the bar up to 6 foot, which I tried to scissor kick. And even though I did knock it off here, the jump was feeling super good. However, something just wasn't quite right with my run up, which I couldn't quite figure out at the moment. After doing my final warm-up jump at 2 meters, the competition commenced. I decided to give it a go the highest starting height I've ever attempted, that being 2 meters. Prior to this competition, my next best starting height was 1.90 m. Running to this bar was actually feeling really good. That was until the last step, and I unfortunately knocked off the bar. But that's no worries, the bar got put back up to 2 meters. Because in the sport of high jump, you have 3 attempts to jump any height. So on my second attempt, I thought I knew what was going wrong with the first one, so I ran in without much time thinking about it. Now I'm thinking I still have one more jump to clear that bar, because I once again knocked it off. I thought moving my run up back a little bit was going to help me out. This is my next attempt, so let's see what happens. It just got nicked off. So to stay warm, I did a few jumps in the background, and then went into my next attempt for the 2 meter jump, and this one was much better. I had about 10 centimeters of height underneath me, so I decided to move the bar up to 2 meters and 5. I of course had to tighten my lace before I do the jump. Now, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that'd mean the world to me. And here we go. I just nicked that one off, we were so close. But before we get into this next jump, if you want to watch how I prepare for this competition, the link video will take you straight there. Knocked it off and the competition was over.